So this is the third video of our operators series. In this video, we are going to learn comparison operators and logical operators. So comparison operators are used to compare two values in Java. So we will go one by one. First is equal to. To compare two values, if they are equal or not, we use double equal to sign because single equal to sign is used to assign values. Second is not equal to. For this, we will use this exclamation mark and equal to check if two values are not equal, and greater than to check if a value is greater than the other, less than when we want to check a value is lesser than the other, and similarly we have greater than equal to and less than equal to. Now we will move to logical operators. So logical operators are used to determine the logic between variables or values. So we'll see what are these. First is logical AND, which is represented by two double ampersand. So this will return true if both the statements are true. We will see the example. If x is less than 5 and x is less than x is less than 10, then only it will return true. So if the first condition is false, see x is not less than 5, suppose x is 6, then in this case this will not go to x is less than 10, because for this to return true, both condition needs to be true. So in this case, if first is going to be false, second condition won't be checked. And this is logical OR. This is double pipe sign. So it will return true if one of the statement is true. So suppose if x is less than 5, suppose x is 2. In this case, it will just return true from here. It won't go and check x is less than 4. So, and third is logical NOT. This is used to reverse the result. So if this second statement was returning true, if we put NOT, it will start returning false. So we'll see the example of it. We create a class, logical operators. Create a method name. Let's give x equal to 10, y equal to 20. Now we will check all the outputs. Let me tell you one thing. After these comparisons, you are going to get true or false as return value. So they will be used in if conditions. See, if I just say x is greater than y, okay, this we will have to take in Boolean. We'll name it as x greater than y. X greater than y. So here we can see x is not greater than y. Therefore, this should print false. See, it is printing false. Now we will use second operator. I will name it as result. So we will go one by one. We will check equal to. Here we can see x is 10 and y is 20. It is not equal. So this should return false. See, it is returning false. Now we will use the second one, which is not equal to. We'll see x is not equal to Why? It's true, right? So we will just run and see it should return true. Now we will check the third operator. X is greater than y. X is not greater than y, so this should print false. Now we will change this to x is less than y. This should return true. Now we will go to x is greater than or equal to. So we print x is greater than equal to. This is also false. Next is x is less than equal to y. This is true. See, so we will print all the results. We could have directly written this here also. I'll print all of them. First is double equal to, second is not, third is greater than equal to, sorry, this is greater than equal to no. So we will check. This should come as false. This is true. X is greater than y, false. X is less than y, true. X is greater than equal to y, false. X is less than equal to y, true. Let's print all the results. See, false, true, false, true, false, true. Now, using this only, we will check how logical operators work. Here we are going to use two conditions. And x is not equal to y. See, so what will happen here? X is 10, which is less than equal to y. So this part will evaluate to true. Since this is true, it will go to next part to check whether it is true or not. So if this is also true, then whole result will become true. Let's print. See, it is printing true. This is true. Now we we will use OR. So what happens in OR? If this condition is true, it will not go and check second. So let's try to make it false. If this is false, then it will go and check this condition. So if either of them is true, this will return true. Here we know second condition is true. Therefore, we will check and see it is returning true. Now I just want to make this true as false. What I will have to do, I will have to just put a not on complete result. See, now this will start returning us as false. See, so you should try and experiment with other values on these operators. These are very important because they are going to be used in if conditions, if else, if everywhere.